Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the name for your iRobot Roomba in iRobot app. And to do this we'll need to open the app itself. Right here at the product you can check our previous video on how to do this, and then scroll down, select product settings, go for About Roomba. Here's the product name, and now click on it and you should be able to change the name for it. Go back. And the name should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.